Hi, in this video, we are going to see this particular type of problem where we have given that tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2, and from this given expression, we need to prove that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. For solving this particular type of problem, we are going to use one algebraic expansion formula of a plus b the whole square. But where to use that expansion and how to use it and what is to be done to use that particular expression, we need to do one modification for this problem over here. First of all, we will write the given expression as it is, then we will take square on both the sides and then we will proceed for that expansion. So let's start doing it. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2. This is our given expression. Now squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides. So tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta, its square, equal to 2 square will be 4. So I am writing it directly 4. So after squaring on both sides, this expression is now this expression. So here we can see we got the algebraic expansion of this expression as a plus b the whole square. That is, its expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same expansion we are going to apply for these tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta wala expression. So let's use that expression. So a square, that is tan square theta plus 2 into, our a is tan theta, into our b is 1 upon tan theta, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Our b is 1 upon tan theta, so its square is 1 upon tan square theta. Right hand side will remain as it is, it will be unaffected. Now here we can see this tan theta and this tan theta is getting cancelled. So the remaining part is tan square theta plus, here we are left with just 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4. Now what we will do, we will take this 2 on the right hand side. Here you can see it is having a positive sign. After going this side, it will become negative. So let's see the further part of problem. Tan square theta will be as it is. Tan square theta. This 2 we are going to take on right hand side. So in this side, only 1 upon tan square theta will be remaining. So we will write it as it is. 1 upon tan square theta equal to, already we are having 4 on RHS. We will subtract this wala 2 from that RHS. So it will be 4 minus 2. So it will be tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. And this is nothing but the required answer. Tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. So from this expression, we have reached up to the required expression by using this expansion of a plus b the whole square. Thank you.